What's up? What's up? Been away for a minute. Back with the Dastun 510, man. We're bringing it painted in the garage. As I said before, it's all garage built. So we got it all painted. I got to do wet sand on there. Painted them bumpers in a metallic Osprey. The lens, this is all done on the Osprey. Looking nice. Just put on the Dastun signs, the 510. The license plate, it's all done up. So we're getting it. It's getting there. It's all done. The vents on the side. You can tell it's that Osprey. I'm doing that on the inside. On the inside here, the engine bay, I'm doing a stone finish. As you can tell, it's a stone finish here, and a clay coat, a high heat clay on there, so you ain't gotta worry about that shit. But it's getting there. Just painted the wheels. Front grille, it's all nice, looking all good. See that front grille? It was all bent up. I re-straightened everything. And again, man, it's all garage built. It's all garage built. And gotta send a shout out to my boys out in Texas, boy. Pedro, my dogs. Shit. My Calgary people, Canada. Gotta rep Trinidad. We gotta represent Trinidad also. So I got all my people been, showing me that love. So we'll catch you all soon. On a 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, the interior, all that bullshit. Y'all know how it goes. We'll get it done. I'm working on the dash soon. Gotta get all that dash all done up. But anyway, we'll catch you later. Yeah.